We recently tried the Lifetime Appliance Parts upgraded Lifetime Appliance WR71X25602 door shelf bin rack compatible with GE refrigerator. Our old bin was cracked, and this looked like a good replacement. First, installation was a breeze. It slid right into place. The plastic feels sturdy. Unlike the original part, we were worried about fit, but it was perfect. This bin holds our condiments well. It feels like a little butler. Always ready. Consequently, our fridge looks much tidier. We definitely recommend this upgrade. Moreover, this Lifetime Appliance Parts upgraded Lifetime Appliance WR71X25602 door shelf bin rack compatible with GE refrigerator is a genuine lifesaver. It's like giving your refrigerator a new lease on life. Furthermore, you won't struggle with flimsy plastic anymore. The design seems improved. We can now store heavier items without worry. Therefore, it prevents spills and clutter. Our milk jugs and juice bottles now have a safe home. Additionally, cleaning is simple, a quick wipe, and it's spotless. This bin is a silent workhorse. Finally, for anyone needing a replacement, consider the Lifetime Appliance Parts upgraded Lifetime Appliance WR71X25602 door shelf bin rack. Compatible with GE refrigerator. It truly elevates your fridge's functionality. Similarly, it's a small investment for a big improvement. We were pleasantly surprised by its quality. Hence, it offers excellent value. Your groceries will thank you. Ultimately, it's a smart choice for a common problem. Pros: ultra durable, easy to install, DIY replacement parts specialist, high quality materials, free from harmful chemicals, exceed OEM expectations, fit just right, wide range of compatibility, OEM specifications, durability that lasts, satisfaction guaranteed. Cons: review manipulation, misleading product description, poor customer support, slow or no delivery, fake tracking numbers. Features: upgraded design, Lifetime Appliance brand, WR71X25602 model, door shelf bin, compatible with GE refrigerator part, durable construction, easy to install, replaces old bins, organizes fridge. This upgraded door shelf bin from Lifetime Appliance is a perfect fit for many GE refrigerators. It's designed to be strong and durable, so it will last a long time. You can easily install it yourself to replace an old or broken bin. This shelf helps you organize your fridge better. The Lifetime Appliance WR71X25602 door shelf bin is advertised as a durable, easy to install replacement part for GE refrigerators. Made from high quality materials that exceed original equipment manufacturer OEM standards and fit perfectly. However, there are serious concerns from customers about this product, including allegations of review manipulation, misleading product descriptions, poor customer support, and issues with slow or no delivery and fake tracking numbers.